In the modern world, automotive gadgets and accessories have become increasingly diverse and innovative, catering to the varied needs of drivers. From advanced dash cams and parking assistance devices to emergency tools and entertainment accessories, these products are designed to enhance safety, convenience, and enjoyment during your driving experience. This article introduces a range of notable products, such as the Lanmodo Vast Pro with its superior night vision capabilities, the Autovox TW1, a truly wireless backup camera, and the Vantrue N4, a 3-channel dash cam. Additionally, you'll discover emergency support tools, efficient car interior cleaning solutions, and other creative devices. Let's explore these remarkable innovations to elevate your journey and make your car ride safer and more comfortable. MaxTrax Stream. When your tires sink into mud or sand, accelerating will often worsen the situation by digging a deeper hole. In such cases, it's better to stop, get out of the car, and use tools like work gloves and a shovel to free the vehicle. If you're willing to invest more, the MaxTrax Extreme boards are highly recommended. Measuring 880 mm by 270 mm, these boards can double as shovels when flipped upside down. Place the MaxTrax board in front of the tires in the direction the car is moving and accelerate slowly to regain traction. Use one board per tire if necessary. Lanmodo Pro 4-season automatic car tent. For many, cars are the perfect mode of transportation, offering privacy and protection from the elements. However, Lanmodo proposes that cars themselves need protection. Their Pro 4-season automatic car tent is designed to shield vehicles from rain, snow, and extreme heat. Secured to the car roof with a powerful suction cup, the tent measures 480 cm by 235 cm when fully extended, large enough to cover an SUV. When packed, it shrinks to 85 cm by 23 cm, making it compact enough for your trunk or even a backpack. The automatic feature refers to its ability to vibrate periodically during snowfall to keep itself clean. With the all-in-one version, Lanmodo also includes accessories to transform the tent into a shelter for outdoor activities. Yak 132. Pneumatic jack. Most car jacks use hydraulics, but the Yak 132 relies on air power. It features a limit stop device and a safety valve to ensure proper and safe operation. Despite its simple and compact design, the Yak 132 can lift up to 2.2 tons, making it suitable for small passenger cars. The only potential downside is the need for an air pump to operate the jack. CyberClean Car. Among the many car gadgets available, the CyberClean Car stands out for its simplicity. Unlike high-tech devices, this gadget focuses on cleanliness. Designed for interior use, CyberClean is a slime-like material that adapts to various shapes and textures. It can clean tight corners, dashboard gaps, and between buttons by absorbing dirt, dust, and germs without leaving any residue. Made from non-toxic biodegradable materials, CyberClean is reusable multiple times before needing replacement. Beam GPS Dash Camera. The Beam GPS Dash Camera is a compact device housed in a small square black box. It uses the Galaxy Core GC2053 sensor to record excellent 1080p video with a 135-degree capture angle. The power button and microSD card slot are located on the left side, while slots for the suction cup and mini USB jack are on the top. The camera connects to a car's 12-volt power outlet via the GPS unit. Although it lacks a built-in monitor, it records footage directly onto the microSD card. When connected to a smartphone through the XR app, footage is automatically uploaded to cloud storage at no extra cost. Magic Mount Charge 3 smartphone mounts are highly popular in the car gadget market, with many brands offering various features like wireless charging, unique suction cup designs, and swiveling capabilities. California-based company Scotch has taken this further with its Magic Mount Charge 3. This mount features Qi wireless charging technology and a magnetic swiveling design. The smartphone is held in place by a strong, device-safe neodymium magnet without directly touching the charger. This design leaves space for airflow between the mount and phone. The magnetic arms rotate 360 degrees, allowing users to position their phone in landscape, portrait, or any angle in between. The mount supports up to 10 Qi charging, compatible with all Qi-enabled devices, including those from Apple, Google, and Samsung. Auto Escape Flashlight. An emergency kit is like car insurance. You hope you'll never need it, but are grateful to have it in critical situations. The Auto Escape Flashlight is a multifunctional gadget designed for emergencies, like being trapped in a sinking car or locked during an accident. The flashlight includes 3 tools: a high-carbon steel seatbelt cutter, a steel ball window punch, and of course, a flashlight. All these features are housed in a military-grade aluminum casing built to withstand harsh conditions. The flashlight comes with a bracket for easy attachment inside your car.